Seniors, remove these 10 things from your bedroom now to save your life. 72-year-old Margaret got up to use the bathroom. She took 2 steps and never made it back to bed. Today, we're counting down 10 dangerous things seniors must remove from the bedroom right now. Most of these are common, harmless looking, but together they create a perfect storm for injury, illness, even death. Stick with me until the end, because the last 3 are about your bedding, hygiene, and bad habits. Believe me, they're wrecking your health night after night without you even realizing it. Number 1, throw rugs. Throw rugs are cute, soft, and deadly if you're not careful. They curl, they slide. As we age, we don't always lift our feet high, and a stumble can mean surgery, rehab, or worse. If you must have one, make sure it's rubber-backed and anchored. Use anti-slip mats or wall-to-wall carpet. Avoid loose rugs near your bed. Number 2, poor lighting. Our eyes take longer to adjust with age. 1 second in the dark can lead to disaster. Install motion sensor night lights or smart bulbs. Even glow strips under your bed. Number 3, loose cords. Janice had a lamp, phone charger, and oxygen hose by her bed. She got up in the night and tripped, fractured her hip. Keep cords taped down or routed safely. Make sure there are no charging cables across walkways. Use cable organizers or cordless solutions. Number 4, air fresheners and sprayed scents. They smell fresh, but they're not. I'm referring to air fresheners, plug-ins, and room sprays. They release chemicals called volatile organic compounds, which can irritate your lungs, trigger asthma, and increase the risk of headaches or even heart issues in seniors. Swap scented products for natural options. Ditch chemical scents. Use open windows, baking soda, or essential oils, sparingly and diluted. Number 5, heavy unstable furniture. Your dresser shouldn't be a death trap. Top-heavy or unanchored furniture can topple during a fall. You should be able to walk from your bed to the door without bumping into anything. Anchor furniture to the wall to have clear walking paths. Number 6, too many pillows. Too many pillows, or the wrong kind, can hurt your neck and back or restrict breathing. Some seniors even develop acid reflux or sleep apnea from bad pillow posture. Use one supportive pillow designed for neck alignment. Use ergonomic or wedge pillows. Avoid high stacks. Number 7, old or heavy bedding. Heavy comforters might feel cozy, but they're a risk, especially if you have arthritis or breathing problems. Old bedding can also hold dust mites, mold, and allergens. Choose lightweight, breathable fabrics. Use light bedding. Wash sheets weekly. Avoid dust traps. Number 8, poor bedroom hygiene. Your bedroom is where you spend a third of your life. Don't let it become a bacteria party. Dust, clutter, even dirty air filters can worsen allergies, chronic bronchitis, and heart conditions. Declutter. Dust weekly. Air out the room daily. Clean weekly and replace filters. Number 9. Remove distractions that ruin your sleep. TVs, phones, and tablets in the bedroom reduce melatonin and wreck your sleep quality. Poor sleep in seniors is linked to dementia, weight gain, and high blood pressure. Make your bedroom a screen-free zone. Turn off screens 30-60 minutes before bed. Use blue light filters. Number 10. Emotional clutter. One more thing. Your bedroom isn't a storage closet. Old memories, broken items, piles of guilt, these keep your mind active when it should be resting. Let go of what no longer serves your peace. Declutter emotionally. Keep what brings peace. Let's quickly recap the 10 things to remove or fix in your bedroom to stay safe and healthy. Number 1, throw rugs. Number 2, poor lighting. Number 3, loose cords. Number 4, artificial air fresheners. Number 5, unstable furniture. Number 6, too many pillows. Number 7, old or heavy bedding. Number 8, poor bedroom hygiene. Number 9, electronic distractions. Number 10, emotional clutter. Make one change today. It could protect your sleep. Take 10 minutes after this video. Fix just one thing. That one change could protect your independence, your lungs, or even save your life. Leave a comment down below and share this video with someone you care about, because small changes make a big difference if you want to live a longer and healthy life. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more senior health tips.